This is Concerto in D minor for two violins by Bach, otherwise known as the Bach Double Concerto. This is the second violin part, which really takes the lead, and the first violin is following. And also, I think it's technically more difficult than the first violin part in some ways. So good thing we're learning it first. I'm going to do it very slowly, bit by bit. And remember, every time I say your turn, just stop the recording and try. Follow the music carefully. So we start in the middle of the bow. Counted 1, 2, 3. Those are eighth note beats. Your turn. Okay, now we're going to shift to third position. And half steps. Start the trill from the F. Your turn. Do this carefully. A lot of people miss this. F sharp, G sharp, 2, 3, 4. Stop your bow and make a completely different attack here. 2, 3, 4. Stop, same thing. And your turn. And here I'll just start with the 3 notes that we ended with. Shift to third position. Your turn. And you can follow the fingering that I'm using. It's the lower fingering, fourth finger. C sharp. Rest. Your turn. Start the next section with an eighth note, F natural, and travel to the frog. Watch that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Careful to get the right notes and articulate. That means use your bow with the slurs or stops that I do. Your turn. Go to the frog. 2, 3. Go to third position. Your turn. We'll start at the beginning of that bar. Bar 15. 1, 2, 3. Back to first. Back to third. Start your trill on the B flat. Rest. Your turn. You have a choice here. You can go like this, or you can go like this. Lift. And lift from there. Your choice. I prefer to lift and start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your turn. We've gone on to the next page. This is the revised edition of Suzuki Book 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Up again. 1, 2. Fall. Your turn. And then you learn, of course, you're always listening to the recording, so you hear what the first violin is doing. It's important to know when to come in. Here's a cue. Now means when you come in. So rewind and go back so you can see that entrance. So here we are at our big solo, and we have a little internal melody that goes. So it's important to do a lot of vibrato on those notes. Be really careful of your intonation there. Your turn. Careful to do a third finger for your C sharp and a half step across the string. Then shift, stretch. So that last little bit is your turn. So you've gone 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Stop completely. 1, 2. Then the same thing. It's a sequence. Same rhythm, different notes. 1, stop. And that's a B flat. 1, 2. And your turn. Okay, we'll start on that F. 1, 2. Hear how we phrase that? Leading always. Your turn. Keep your 1 down and put 2 across the string, a half step away to play B. Stretch. And this time a B natural. Tricky place. A lot of people miss it, but you won't. And then your turn. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Play your G sharp with a low 4. And your turn. Here's the solo again, but lower. Don't forget to vibrate on your down bows. Your turn. Shift to third position. You have to just time out to practice the shift. You have to always practice your shifts. Stretch. Back to first. And use 4, 2, 4. G sharp, F sharp, G sharp. Like that. So 4, 2, 4, and then tuck 3 in right next to your 4th finger. Stretch for G sharp. Very tricky there. I'll play from bar 40. Try that a lot of times. 1, 2, stop. Low 1, G sharp. 1, 2, 3. Your turn. Third position. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Be careful of the last one for the fingering. Then 1, 2. 2 T. I've worked to the frog. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. 2, 3, 4. Stop. Now work your way back down to the middle. solo coming up. Your turn. And we're going to phrase this to here. And that's done like this. You stretch to the B flat and slide your finger down to the A. And your turn. Okay, now we're going to go to the next page. And then we shift to second position. Rest. And that's the end of this section. We've gone to bar 53.